Students, today we are going to learn bank reconciliation statement method 2. In method 1, debit balance as per cash book is given. We ascertained, we found credit balance as per passbook. But in second method, we have to reverse it. What we have to do? Credit balance as per passbook is given. Credit balance as per passbook is given. We have to find debit balance as per cash book. First method, debit balance as per cash book is given. We ascertained credit balance as per passbook. In second method, we have to reverse it. Credit balance as per passbook is given. We have to find debit balance as per cash book. Yes. Now, bank reconciliation statement as on the date is given 31st March 2018. Credit balance as per passbook is given. How much? 1,30,000. That is the starting point. Credit balance as per passbook 1,30,000. The ending point, with the help of this we can ascertain. Here cash book means here passbook. Passbook credit balance means cash book debit balance. So it starts with a favorable balance, ends with a favorable balance. Yes, now we will solve the problem. Check paid into bank. Check paid into bank for rupees 25,000. Not credited till 31/3/2018. So our BRS date, till this date the check was not credited. This transaction taken place in cash book, it was added. Now what we supposed to do? Listen. Now passbook is given. We have to find cash book balance. Now we should give opposite effect to the passbook, same effect to the cash book. We will get the answer. Once again, passbook balance is given. We have to find cash book balance. What is given? For that we should give opposite effect. So what all they did in the passbook, now we should cancel it. For that we should give opposite effect. For cash book, what all they did in the cash book, we should repeat it. We should give the same balance. Okay. Now check paid into bank for rupees 25,000 not credited till 31st March 2018. The check paid into bank, the transaction was recorded in the cash book, it was added. So what we supposed to do? We should repeat the same. Check paid into bank, check paid into bank, but not credited, the value of the check how much? 25,000. Next, checks issued, where the transaction taken place in cash book, it was deducted. So check issued for 30,000 presented for payment on 5th April 2018. So the check was presented after the BRS date. If any check presented after the BRS date, we should consider as not presented on this date. Where the transaction taken place? The transaction was taken place in cash book, it was deducted. Now we have to repeat. Check issued but not presented for payment. Value of the check how much? 30,000. Next, bank debited. That means the transaction taken place in the passbook, it was deducted. How much? 2,000. Passbook we should give what? Opposite effect. Already it was deducted. Now we have to add. Bank charges debited. Bank charges debited. How much? 2,000 rupees. Next, bank credited. The transaction taken place in passbook, it was added. Now we have to deduct. Bank credited interest. Bank credited interest for rupees 7,000. Next, dividend on share collected by the bank rupees 15,000 as per standing instruction. So bank collected dividend on share on behalf of the businessman. It was taken place in passbook. It was taken place in passbook. It was added. So in passbook added. Now we should give what? Opposite effect. We have to deduct it. Dividend on share collected by bank. Dividend on share collected by bank, how much? 15,000. Next, very important, bills receivable discounted with the bank for rupees 40,000 reported dishonored. Listen student, check dishonored, bills receivable dishonored, for both we should give same effect. Check deposited, where the transaction taken place, it was taken place in the cash book, it was added. Same treatment we should offer to the BR dishonored, where the transaction taken place, it was in the cash book, it was added. What we supposed to do? For cash book we should give what? Same effect. So BR, bills receivable discounted and dishonored. The value of check how much? 40,000. Now we'll close this. 67,000. Once again 67. So totally 1,97,000. Here 45, 52. 1,97,000 minus 52,000. Balance as per cash book 1,45,000. Students, once again, in first method, in method 1, cash book debit balance given, we have to find passbook credit balance. In method 2, passbook credit balance given, we have to find cash book debit balance. In first method, for cash book we should give opposite effect. For cash book we should give opposite effect. For passbook we should give same effect. For second method, passbook balance is given. For that we should give opposite effect. For cash book we should give same effect. Students, in BRS there are 4 methods. Out of 4 method, till now we completed 2 method. The remaining 2 method we learn in the next class. Till then, bye and thank you.